Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the parallax effect on your wallpaper. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can give your wallpaper depth and motion with the parallax effect. So this basically shifts the background slightly as you tilt your phone. This creates a beautiful 3D illusion on your home screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here first, we need to go ahead and open the gallery and we need to go ahead and choose a picture. So I've recently downloaded this picture here of a Wolverine. So we'll go ahead and separate the Wolverine with the background. So to do this, we'll first go ahead and use Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and select this figure here and we'll pass on delete, then tap on generate. Now that's created as the background, so we'll tap on save background. Next, we'll go ahead and go back to the photo again, and this time we're just going to go ahead and extract the Wolverine. So we will clip the Wolverine. Tap on three dots, then tap on save as image. So this basically saves it as a PNG. So you've got this and you've got that. Now next we'll go ahead and open up Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, open the Wonderland module. Tap on create your own moving wallpaper. Then tap on the plus sign. And here we'll choose gallery and we'll go ahead and choose that picture which we just created. So the background first. Then we'll tap on image. So add an image. We'll go ahead and choose that PNG Wolverine. We'll go ahead and enlarge this. Now once that's done, you're going to go ahead and apply motion. So first go ahead and select the background, tap on image settings. You're going to go ahead and enable motion effects and go ahead and play around with this figure. Next, we're going to go ahead and choose the image and again image settings, and we're going to go ahead and apply individual motion effect. Again, play around with the settings. Preview it. Now when you go ahead and move our phone, you'll see that parallax effect as you move your phone. So now once you're happy with this, go ahead and tap on save here at the top right and then save again. And then go ahead and set this as a wallpaper for a home screen or lock screen. Tap home. And now our home screen has a parallax effect for your wallpapers. So this adds realistic depth and visual movement. It makes your icon and widget look like they float. It's perfect for both static and dynamic wallpapers. So there you go guys, that is how to apply the parallax effect on your wallpaper for your Samsung Galaxy device.